guess we can do this. Okay, I don't want to do this. So I guess we can do this. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Well, align this one, but this, I don't need this. This is 150, so it's gonna give it a little bit of separation. I don't want them to be like touching each other, so let's keep it, I don't know, maybe 2 centimeters, 20. So if I'm aligning this here, I'm gonna give this 170. Okay, so it's 150. If I make this 150, I will be touching here, but 160. I'm gonna give it 160. So it's 10 and 10 to the other side. I'm gonna create 2 reference planes. And the distance is going to be 160. Again, this is totally arbitrary, right? This is something that's just coming up. So 260 to 60. Okay, so now I can align this properly. AL, so take this and this. As you can see, there's a little gap right there. Okay, exactly what I want. So now make sure it's locked. Okay, so now we're in business. And then also I need to make this a fixed distance. Okay, so put this in here and make this 160 no matter what. And at the same time I'm gonna do this same thing here, 160. That's great. So now probably I can copy these things. So copy, it's better to select first the object, okay? Let's go for copy. Okay, so now one thing you don't know is that this thing is not locked, so we're gonna have to lock this thing. So probably, I think it's a good idea to move it pass by maybe a little bit. I don't know, that's my technique, okay? So now I can try to align this properly. Align. Select this, and look this. Okay. Say this. Let me see. Okay. So let's see if it works. Okay, very important thing here. So I'm going to change this original. I'm gonna change the length from 2000 to, I don't know, 3000 and see what's happened. Not create, sorry. Just gonna change this parameter to 3000. And apparently it works here, okay? And it works. These two remain in the same place, and this got bigger, and the box got bigger. Yeah. That's a success. Okay, so let's continue. Right now what I need to do is just to copy this a few more times. Now maintaining this is 20 from the actual edge, so I'm gonna need a 20 here. Okay, I need a 20 here. 20, yeah, from the edge. No, sorry, I need to align to the center. Okay, so I need 20 and 150. That makes it 170. My bad. To pick up the center of that piece. Okay, and now I need 10 and 150. So that's making 160. So create another reference plane. The distance this time is going to be 160. I'm going to pick this line right there. Okay. So now basically what I need to do is I need to make sure this goes nowhere. So I'm going to lock this dimension. So from here to here, it's 170. Make sure you lock this. 160. And I lock this. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to select this, copy. I'm just gonna put it here anywhere, doesn't really matter, okay? Because then I'm going to align this properly. This here to the center. Make sure I lock. So that's 70. Okay, so I think this is wrong because I need 300 plus 10, so 310. This is 310, sorry. What is this dimension? This needs to be 310 to maintain the 10 millimeters distance. Okay, so now I'm gonna copy the other one. Just leave it close enough so then I can actually align properly, okay? Otherwise, if I put it right in here, then might be a little bit difficult to align. Not so much difficult, but time consuming. So now align here to center, and I'm at the 10 different. Okay, so very important. Let me check if this thing works. Let's go here. If I go to 1000, maybe too small, okay? But, so look at this 4000. Yeah. Oh no. You see this? This is not working. This is supposed to go alone. So I'm not gonna take it back because I can see what is the difference. So I'm going to hit OK in here. Go back to my ceiling. I can't stress enough the importance of test every single step. So let me align this and lock. I think last time I forgot to lock. So let's go back here and let's go back to 3000 and let's see if it's actually working this time. Okay, 3000, hit apply, and then it goes nicely. Okay, so hit apply, hit OK, and let's finish this piece. Need to do the same in the other side, 117 and 310. As you can see, this is the festival of parameters. Create an offset of 170 and 310. I can make sure that I tie this. And now I'm going to copy this. Again, I'm going to use the same technique. It's just kind of leave it somewhere there halfway. Okay, let me test this. Let me see if it works. Very important. We have all the lights in place. Now here I choose it for 4000. Yeah, that's exactly what I was looking for. Right. So take it back this to 3000. Apply, hit OK. So far it's working. So let's see if we can insert this into a project. Okay, so let's go for it. Go into a project. I have hold on here. Go to 3D. and there it is. Let me see if we can get a better look of it. Let's go to the ceiling. And as you can see, I can put this, I can give this any dimension as I want, any dimension I actually want, because this block initially, when we create it, we, this parameter, the length parameter, we make it actually a instant parameter. Okay, that's the difference between an instant parameter and a type parameter, right? Type parameter is kind of like a fixed number. You can assign a series of fixed numbers to this, like for instance 2 meters, 3 meters, 4 meters, that's it. When you make a parameter instance, you use this, you put this family, insert this family into a project, you can give that particular parameter any value that you want. And you can see right here, I can use this, and this is not any a round number, okay? This could be actually any number I can imagine, okay? Any dimension I can imagine. Okay, so I'll leave it like that. C3D, and there you go. Okay, so I hope that this was a useful tutorial. Okay, thank you very much.